kí ọmọ òun má sùn onítọ̀hún ò ní fojú bọrun. Èmi wá ń sọ ní wákàtí ọ̀wọ̀ yìí fún gbogbo yín níbikíbi tí ẹ bá wà lórílẹ̀ àgbáyé. Ẹni tí ó bá gbèrò pé òun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan kan fún òòṣà tó bá yá ẹ máa mọ̀ mí. Ẹ tí mọ̀ mí o, but ẹ máa mọ̀ mí. Bí ẹ bá ṣe gbèrò yẹn ẹ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kú ní ìkọ̀ọ̀kan. Màá pa yín pátápátá màá pa yín látòrí yín dé orí ọmọ yín ni màá fi bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ tí mọ̀ nǹkan kan o, tí nǹkan kan bá ṣe Sunday tó bá ṣe Sunday Igboho ẹ wá mọ̀ pé ìyá Igboho wà. Ìyá tí ó bí Igboho ẹ mọ̀ pé ó wà.
All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, my people, now don't hear things from ourselves. Well, I know some sort of people be like, waiting they happen. Yellow, that was the voice of Sunday Igboho mama. Okay, and then onto this one, she has said a lot of things. Yeah, so Oduduwa Nation, no going back, and exactly what it is. Well, initially I was thinking like, no, Chief Sunday Igboho's mother would be like, my son, this movement agitation will be saying, you see they follow them, they do say you know will go back. This one way you don't come back from prison, I beg you be like say you go forget to. After all, your children they know they Nigeria. After all, your wife know they Nigeria. Are waiting safe. I bet you won't come kill yourself for those people. I think say now waiting Sunday Igboho mama go they talk be that. But with this audio, my brother, where everybody don't hear now, everybody don't understand. Say the movement no be sheri cambia, no be shere, no be play at all. Oduduwa Nation no going back. Where would they hear? Nari no going back because now Sunday Igboho mama don't come outside. Now yeah, voice we say anybody we go believe say him or she fit buy Sunday Igboho say they never born that person well. Say because right now him go show to them say like this as she be so now she born Sunday Igboho. Say now she born Sunday Igboho. Say in fact the kind power where she gets it passed the one where we say God give Sunday Igboho. Say nothing say that name Osha. Say they just give her like that. Nothing say just bear that name Osha. Say because in a special being. He said Chief Sunday Igboho na special being. I they talk this one for the benefit of people where they already talk. Say waiting then they talk for Yoruba. I beg make you interpret. Now him they tell una so this woman don't come outside. He don't clear everybody. Say in fact say very soon now. Say she go start to the pipe all these people. Say in fact she go first start with all their children. She be now no one get sense. Say in fact if any small thing go happen to his son in Peking Sunday Igboho sharp. Say she go start with their children with their Peking. After he don't kill all their Peking finish, he go come start to the kiki the pipe all the obas, all those obas where they do any harm. Say now she they come outside. Say wait they do to us for this obodo Yoruba, this Yoruba land. Say na good thing we be say Fulani go come outside, go they kiki people everywhere. Fulani go come outside, he go they keep people for their farm. Say make people no go farm, and yet the government no they talk anything. Even right from the government as she did like this. So say na never know her well. Una never know her well. Say she never even show herself. But if any small thing just go patch Igboho in Peking. Say this one where will they follow now they talk and small nothing say now play. Say very soon she go come outside on her own and she go make sure say she deal with everybody. Say she go they buy them. Say God give her that power. Say the one where Chief Sunday Igboho gets where people say how come Chief Sunday Igboho take disappear for midnight when all these DSS when they come in house. Say this one where we say everybody they say how come. Say this guy they try you how he take disappear about 300 DSS come and then they no see. But we say that one a small pikin. Say na go show now. Say she go show everybody. Say na she born Igboho. Say na she born Igboho and she get all the power. We be say God don't give am. Say she no get any other power from anywhere, but now God give am that power, and the same God we give am this power. Now he give Igboho this same power. Sunday Igboho pikin no dey Nigeria, but yet he say in the fight so that people go happy, and he can't say God no go dey the back of that kind of a person wey be say in they represent God. Say God don't send Igboho to come save the people of Yoruba. Say na him make am see dey alive, or else therefore don kpai am. But now he say she no go sleep again. Oh, say she no dey even dey sleep since. Say because now this matter, this Yoruba people, this government people, Nigeria people matter now, e don pass make person dey sleep. Say now she no sleep again, and she don ready. Yes, so she don ready to dey kpai them. Say you go first start to dey kpai all their children, all the wicked people wey say Yoruba nation no go stand, all the wicked people wey be say dem say make dem dey kpai all Yoruba people. Say now she dey come outside any moment, and she ready to dey bring them down one by one. All right, my people, na this one I don come outside come tell you now, say make una know say the Yoruba people right now no joke again. No, if you dey hear Oduduwa nation no going back, no be by mere mouth. These people no dey joke, dem no dey play, and na so e can be. I am bigger than Igboho. I will start with your children. Abiyamo Iya Igboho don talk this one, and many people don talk and say yes, you be real mama, you be better mama. Now waiting good for them. Yes, so now waiting good for them. Anybody, according to her, anybody wey believe say she just dey as Sunday Igboho mama, say she no know wetin she dey do. Say say she just dey look them, dey laugh. Say because as e dey like this, the kind power wey God give am, say God give am strong power, but God no give am the power to destroy people, but God give her the power to make things happen. But anybody wey say he no go like wetin Igboho dey do, say, or anybody wey be say wan dey talk about am, say she dey fuck up, or she dey try herself, or anybody wey talk 88 thing about her, say those kind people, say she go know, she go feel am for where she dey. Say but make those people just ready. Say the kpai go first start on top of their children, then after she go come dey kpai them one by one. Say she go dey visit them. Say e don tey wey be say she don dey quiet, but now they don come pass their boundary. Yes, so say Baba Dami no be say him dey fight for himself. Yes, so no be say Baba Dami in Pekin dey fight for himself, but this man dey fight for the people, simply because na God send am, simply because na the love wey him get for the people. Yes, so na him make am, na him make him Pekin say no matter, even as dem even detain am, he still say no way him go continue to dey fight for him people. Yet na still say una no like this man. Say now she don come outside, say she go make sure say she deal with all of them. She go make sure say she kpai all of them. My brother, my sister, una don hear am for herself. No be small something. All right, this is what it is unto this one. My people, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.